Oh man. Tell me that doesn't look good. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Heading out to go get exhaust tips put on the old whip. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm heading out to put exhaust tips on the old whip today. They said it was gonna be about $45, I think. That's not too bad in my eyes, I think. So heading out there. It's a little early. Didn't have work today. The plant shut down. Something broke, so I'm pretty cool with that. We got off yesterday and today, so we got a nice long weekend ahead of us. So heading out there, gonna go put the exhaust tips on. I'll show you guys what that looks like. All right, there's before. Them are just 3-inch. I'm gonna have to put 4-inch exhaust tips on it. Here, let me go ahead and show you what I bought. These, I decided not to go with them, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with this 4-inch exhaust. We're about to put that on here real quick. Here's the old car up on the lift. I've never actually been up underneath here really with it on a lift, but I think what I'm gonna do is do shorty headers to 3-inch. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about 3-inch being put on this, if I would have enough back pressure or not. But yeah, there's my exhaust, just SLP 1s. There's the old stock exhaust that's about to come off. Oh yeah.
What we want to do is keep my 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock. We want them straight, like that. Right. Like that.
So working on the exhaust. Oh yeah. That looks so much better. Ugly, new. Ugly, new. Taking off the other side now. Oh yeah. Man, that looks so good. Putting the other one on right now. Oh man. Tell me that doesn't look good. I think that looks so good. I'm so excited. 4-inch. I bought 3.5-inch, went to 4s. I think that looks way better. Oh man. Alright guys, looks like we're about finished. Oh yeah. Man, that looks so much better. If you guys like it, like the video. Paint it up real quick. Well, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I just got my exhaust finished up, just got back home. Yeah, I finished putting my exhaust tips on. I bought 3.5-inch exhaust tips, went ahead and actually exchanged them out for 4-inch. I'm pretty happy with it. They look really good. The guy up there at American Exhaust Pros, his name is Andrew. If you guys would check them out, they are a wonderful company, a small business, but they do great work and are willing to work with you on anything. So just check them out. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and be checking out my videos. But like again, please give it a big thumbs up. You guys have a great rest of your day.